You thought you had the upper hand, a flawless and elaborate plan, but every move was in my sight. I saw the ending of the fight. Your king is cornered, can't you see? The board belongs entirely to me. There is no escape, there is no debate. I put the final seal on your fate. Checkmate! Checkmate!